Alright guys, we're at a little city construction site. It's pretty wet, but we're on the edge of this wall. Cobalt medicine. Do a live pull, maybe it's embossed. And it is unembossed, but still nice blue and fairly early. I guess 1880s maybe. Very nice. Alright, maybe there's a few more in here. Alright, so I can't really go under this retaining wall because that's not safe. But I was working, it was getting thinner, and then I hit like a void, and I got a bottle right here showing. Feels like it's maybe a Florida water. Let's see. Yep, sure is. Is it embossed? It is embossed. And it says just Florida water. Huh. Usually are like Borean Landman. New York has some common ones, but that's just a very generic. Okay, still, nice looking bottle. Okay. Well, it's kind of exciting, guys. I got, oh, down it goes. The base of a pot lid. Unmarked, but could there be a lid in here? Maybe. But when you toss these things, I imagine the lid can fly a ways from the base because they weren't attached. Really, they just sat on the top. But hopefully, I got lucky and it's nearby and it's marked. Okay, nice. All right, another bottle ready for extraction. Come here. What do we got here? Any embossing? I don't think it's embossed. It's kind of early though. I'm still thinking we're in the 1880s at least. Alright, there's stuff coming out. Alright, we got two fish showing, and the top one looks pretty interesting. I had to take the gloves off. Oh, it's busted. But it's green. That would have been kind of cool, whatever that was. Bummer. Oh, I can see the rest of it in there. So maybe I'll find out what it is. My guess is unembossed. What's this guy? Is this, nope, he's stuck in there. I have a feeling it looks like a Sawyer's crystal bluing, but we shall see.